here we have three different angles in addition to my notes. So these three angles are the right angle, the acute angle, and the obtuse angle. So for the right angle, we have 50, 40, and 90, and all of these angles together sums up to 180. For the acute angle, every angle in this triangle is below 90 degrees. So we have 60, 60, and 60, which adds up to 180, as well as an obtuse angle, which is 120 greater than 90 is obtuse. And we have 30, 30, and 120, which also adds up to 180. All three of these angles add up or sum to 180. Here are my notes for triangle sum conjecture. As I mentioned before, the sum of all angles in the triangle equals 180. And yeah.